Good afternoon, everybody. It's Jason, guy behind the paddle. Well, I was supposed to go out to Lake Martin this weekend for 3 days, but we had some severe weather rolling through Alabama yesterday, so I did not get that one done. Took that time to get a project at home done. But this morning, plan B was to put in at Gold Star Park and go down to Cooter's Pond again, do a river run. But the river was extremely high and extremely fast, and they had the boat ramps blocked up. So we're driving around for a little bit. I decided to come out to Lake Jordan and just paddle around out here for a little while. It was only about 16 miles, but it was a tough one. So there's a lot of headwind, a lot of current. Still pretty fun. But anyways, I'm hoping to do Lake Martin next weekend. But in the meantime, I just want to thank CMRWD for the sponsorship. Post 122 on Friday. And I hope to see you all next weekend on Lake Martin.